Oh, wisdom ni mitie SOMPA FM.
Ahaya SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra. Ghana de Shmaima yamamu nyina achi anopai. Ebranso say yede SOMPA kase bono esom na kase boy every SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra no. Enam ye headquarters ewo Kumase. Eno eye SOMPA 93.1 FM. Adamfopa Radio ewo Paris France. Eno achi no ena Doma FM, Doma Hinkro eye 100.7. Enkranza SOMPA mensewonom eye 90.7. Techiman SOMPA ye 106.1. Sunyane SOMPA ye 98.9. SOMPA takwa eye 101.1 FM. Obapa ene ne dom asomu ewo ho. Enwachi ena Kingdom 106.1 FM ewo Mankasim. Kanesh Urban Radio ewo Kaneshi Market. Ena decoder so SOMPA FM live na hono SOMPA FM na ubenya ye decoder na so no hu SOMPA FM na se demo ho. Ye Facebook page na ye SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra. Like page na share na ne yenko nakrana. YouTube eye SOMPA FM live. Ye website eye www.sompaonline.com. Nana koje Jesse Company Limited anopa no nsia kase bobre ena aso no eko ba simpiri mu be maba wono na ebo ye chidom am ye de anopa no nsia kase boyi ye de asomo adansie hu ne made emu alpha and omega eno ano no eno achi anopa yi esese wuchichu wose etisire kakra na mehwa de setese akosu agwabo ade na serie tutu ahomone na eye young toothpaste ene ne brush no eno na se wodi chichu wose na chese wanya wose abro waye wose ye panti anopa ye kamfo de ma wose wo sorry ye no wachichu wose no chichu wose wi anu wanu munzuo na wo wi a na afi wakwa kasa wukura na asa wo yire ho anasa waka kye nkoda na se wo munko school na abechichu wose abusua nchemfa no eye young toothpaste ene ne brush wo mo na ebo ye chidom am ye de anopa no nsia kase ebo no asomo enne anopa yi ensemo ye de ema mo no de edi mu akotene no ebini
mampani mahama aka kire gabo mampani se sane ayonkofa da o man Ghana ene gabo ntem no omoma ntena ho saa na nkomo foforo wachiri
Honorable Abuna Osei Asare eyem na shebedwani ewo Etiwa East na wachire na dwene e de afa abansi kasam ntoto a wode betu dwa no ehu
Samia uku na kasa boy sabre wose se wa chocho ne ma gu paper so abekenkan enti arendo
na Honorable Ata Isa a wonu so yem na shebedwani ewo sanerigu nso wachire na dwene se aban no wo bo na homoden pa na wo bo na homoden asen MPP fo
na anano na oma etwikai asenkafo no womo so mbeto asentuade mbe se ohamu chemu aduasa 30% womo de asem bi afachire
National Democratic Congress NDC amanyoko na wo di aban no wo de nsem bia ba betu dwa de fa government appointees no a wo mo pedi bre no na ye be pensem mu e de mama no pa yi
me ofa na anu no so wontuneto because Iran fo no womo aye wade pa woni Zelensky ene Benjamin Nyantachi Netanyahu abonkomo enti me no kasa ya Lindsey Graham ya wo wuye no wo nyina kwehia na yiase
ensem pi kan wenum ho ne ye de somo se kase bo ebu sham wo ko de ye ne gye da na ye de somo anopa yi ye ne de kase bo yi ema wanopa yi eye me de nyame ahira no akosua ago aboagye obetimi so afrem yakosua nhira me ne me doba
oduma nkoma chia me obrempon na kwaku ampoma afi yanshan seminase emfa emmao yeshase de free Ghana mampene His Excellency John Dramani Mahama na kachinra owa bankesi man watesi obi boagu wokwa ya na ya gabo mampene oh Bryce Clotaire Oligui Ngwema na yo no eno was oh ye Oligwema oh bra na ye ni nkomo na ade boko wona na no so se me ba ha che ya mene Ghana de ya ete say sabi empani kan say ba fine form enti ye nyina pepepe no so ani no kura waka na saa na wo ma na kwa aba na wo ma no Ghana nsu papa enom wie ye no eno wona na egusu a ombo nkomo anu a cheso we de wa bai de obeka nsem bi de a kire no Ghana ne Gabon sabi mpreduasa ya ese honam ene ntoma ye nkokora esan say ye mienu nyina na ye baako enti ntokwa de nya de bi wo ye ntam na enti wo ka de a kire no say wono a ye friend say Bryce Clotaire Oligui Nguema ene wono John Kwame Dramani Mahama onze di ne kura raime wamunka omuhumum pa na yonkofa eda Ghana ne Gabon ntam no ye ntimi nkuta mu die mu san say wo ya yonkofa eda yentam na be se mfinhie de osian na chi woni wo bi antime ntete yentam we ne friend say yonko bi sin wonua na fe ye moa na sikasem ye nyina ye nkɔ ne pɛ afi adwadie ye nkɔ ne pɛ emfidi dwuma ye nkɔ ne pɛ na nkran nso sɛne ye be ya ye betimi aboa na nkran dwumadie ya wo mo ye ɛwɔ yaman ahodo emienu nyina mu no ye timi aboa ye ho na atimi akɔyie no ɛno nso atimi akɔpa mampani Mahama nsɛm ne bi nie.
Our meeting today takes place against the backdrop of a defining moment for Africa and for the wider international community. While our continent continues to demonstrate remarkable resilience and promise, we also face pressing challenges such as the global economic uncertainty, climate change, food insecurity, public health concerns, and complex security threats. As the host country for the African Continental Free Trade Area Secretariat, Ghana is committed to advancing intra-African trade, industrialization, and economic integration. We look forward to working closely with Gabon to ensure that our businesses, our investors, and more importantly, our citizens are able to benefit fully from the vast opportunities offered by the African continental market.
Ghana mampani His Excellency Yohane Kwame Dramani Mahama ena wone Gabon mampani ehia Bryce Clotaire Oligui Nguema enro anwumre ena wone ne boss ankomo
Meka Hussein na Kodjoje Si Company Limited and Opano Nsia Kasiebo and a Wutie Fi SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra. Leicester Ghana Limited, the toothpaste and the brush and so Ejeno Abababa. Ye kuye ni mwa honorable Abuna was say Asari. Where Yamashebe Jani Ewo Etiwa East. And what dear two January Chana Junedia fa abaying. M Kuntebua with the two Jawa Finim Finfie 2026 Media Budget Review. No one. Dr. Kesela to Forsen, Edibetu Ghana for him. No, as I was Shamban Kuntebuana, what they buy and ne target ana esi nani so ana half no wo hesa afini nchemu no na watimi akọ ne mu aboabo sika no de friend revenue ene grant no ye frɛ bi short fall na ese wanu ho du na wanu ho no de wan fa nu ho no eye 2 billion Ghana cedis enti wo ma aban no ahunu se de enti amana nu ho ne se enipa bebre no avat ne excise duty no aban ne swade ho na wodi si nani so nya de wotimi enya ne saa ena wo hye domestic goods and services taxes no a enema ye tonton no Ghana ha eto a ye gigye free so no eno nso so shortfall bi eba ye nuru ho target no a ye de si eni so I say de wo pese wo kohye go na afa corner no aban de no efa corner wonya free kick nso amfa corner ena ekọ ye free kick ne ba ye no go na ama esan kọ corner no so a wantimi anhye enti de ebeka mu no eye 6.8 billion Ghana cedis eti ehwasam no na sei ena honorable Abena Osei Asare what the two just some pakasiebo ye de bi ema wanope.
We see a shortfall of close to 2 billion. Mr. Speaker, the shortfall of close to 2 billion has to do with domestic goods, taxes on domestic goods and services. That alone saw a shortfall of 6.8 billion. Mr. Speaker, when you drill down, VAT tells some story. It tells a story that people are not buying, businesses are not flourishing, and that is how come you see a fall in VAT and excise duty tax. You see a fall of 2.3 billion for VAT and excise duty as well. Mr. Speaker, VAT does not respond to the press conferences, the slogans, and the yeah. VAT responds to economic activity. And so far as economic activities is not going on, it's not truly moving, the economy is not moving. It was a shortfall of revenue to the tune of 5 billion Ghana upon all the 8 new taxes that the government puts in place in 2025. So that is what we should be asking ourselves. What is happening? What is happening that we are seeing a huge shortfall in our taxes, even though we keep on increasing taxes or coming up with new revenue handles?
We any yeti ye honorable Abena was say Asarena was sent to asubiem se capital expenditure no and also so eba from pa and we eba from by 14.3 billion Ghana cedis afin finfin ho eti aban ne ba amrahye bedwam no ofa Dr. Kesilato Forsen so ebedwa nanumu no na eya numudwa adwuma no de na bebre wo ho a na onyeye.
We see a shortfall of close to 2 billion. Mr. Speaker, the shortfall of close to 2 billion has to do with domestic goods, taxes on domestic goods and services. That alone, a downward trend of 14.3 billion. And for me, an MP from Etiwa East, where we have the Osino Enyinem Konongo bypass, you not spending on capital expenditure means I am not getting the roads completed. And that is a sad story. So if government comes to say that I'm living within my means, but is not spending in the right places, Mr. Speaker, economic activity is not flourishing, and it will not help develop the economy. We are stifling growth by not spending in the right places. Mr. Speaker, again, what I hear the minister talk about is the fact that yes, they have given monies to the assemblies. But have you checked the Auditor General's report that all the 3 billion the minister increased allocations to the district assemblies to the tune of 3 billion? But have you checked the infractions that has also escalated? So you don't just give the monies, but you also strengthen internal controls. Go and check, Mr. Speaker. The infractions increased from 18 million, 134 million in 2025. So that is what we should check. Spend in the right places and make sure the internal controls are strong. Mr. Speaker, one thing that also, raises a lot of concern is an expenditure item in the end of 2025 budget.
Eni ayeti ye honorable abena was say asare wo yemrahye bedwani wo Etiwa East ne nsem ni nyina wo bo no tofa wo se eye no mudwa bi na ban bedwaye ne target ni nyina wanu hu ni titru de ye friend revenue no ene grant no shortfall bi e buy enti aban ni swade hu no ka se bia afini mfimfi na de wanya nie no enye sa ene onyaye yemrahye bedwam nam sini oponcheche ku bema honorable wono ene de amaneboyi ebreye
ene yana na gina ho amenkwansa na no point cheku ya me na sebedwam ho se wo muguso ka media budget review no e ho nkomo na se wo mu wurawura ne Johnson bia so ba bia asem foforo bia hye no no ma kwatwe de apie sansa wa anya ne sa e be fa nkrofo ni so eno na me na sebedwani ogina ma aguapem north Samuel awuku no no boys abre na dodo na de friend ofie enti boys abre se hwe odi eko street ni so se na boys na abre no enye ize kura na wo ka de atra ban se hwe se wa fa pen ene paper na wa tworo ade ne tworo de da form kura na sisi abetimi atworo oni onya ma pen paper no so a ne ampe bia timi tworo na mom sa de na wa tworo no te se wo ye inventory mekwa ha mekwa ha meye ne sei mekwa ha nso so a metimi afa ne sei ne ma ye ne sei ena me ye ne sei nso betimi aba sei ne nyina ye kasa mframa boys abrɛ sam ye oku ka kire aban se saa de na ɔtwɔtwɔ ye ɔde ma to force be kenkan ne sem frama no wo mo nso tie ne sem frama san se wo ka ne tra ye tie ne tra entua rento san sem no be kan ne nyina no emma adwuma boys gu street epa adwuma ye o say I'll do this November o be kan I will and when so July was be kan I will enti I will na asie ne say.
Is it easier to find a decent work in Ghana by young people, learn a useful skill, or build a business that survives in a sojaman? On the evidence, the answer is no. This review reads like an inventory of activity, not a record of impact. And inventories, Mr. Speaker, do not pay rent in Accra. Inventory of activity does not pay school fees or feed anyone. Media review should be a report card, Mr. Speaker, not a register of activities as presented by Minister Forsen. It must show what has changed in the lives of our young, not what government started or also paid for. The review does not show improvement in the youth labor market. The Speaker, it reports national unemployment at 12.8% over the first 3 quarters of 2025. But the Ghana Statistical Service puts unemployment among those aged between 15 to 35 at 21.9%.
Wait, woman, you wait, you ma church there. Udia Branca have na no crampo. Papa ya, wire rent control commissioner. Beka says 6 months. We still gusuji 2 years. Now I bet church already a gubukum. I can kind of try, I can kind of say, ya, na boys and so and so, but street is why she. Now, what better with your rent one crime? Where are some year ukuno? Boys are bread. From Russia.
Yet the Sujinam Rashebejemuha said the Dr. Kesilato Forsen the 2026 media budget review number 2 and Wamusu Buhakonta will be at Senate Rashebeja for the Munim Kasapa legislators no Wamunyatna Sepeneche Sampa, Wamoba Babeche Sampa, Wamuni Muankasa. Nam Rashebejeni on also I was an Rigu your honorable Ata Isa and was a hey Abayi wa bomodin papa. say wofa NPP for best years now wofa NDC for modern bo mo born 2025 wa enye NPP for best years na yonko no afibia NPP for bo modern no wo de beto to NDC ho a honorable ata isa say enye ne yonko no na aban we 2025 nko ano we beat MPP for nko a chese we beat wo mo ama chese I say usembo to awotu mirika no we san wo bia ho a wokọ ba bia 2026 media budget review no ho kontabuo no a wo mu ebuo no aban yi emebi etwemu no MPP for do mu gia na ye fa na junk economy enne Ghana yenye ni die amansan nyina buye die nti omu buye ne say ebra NDC for ban no matoto wo mu ne yema yie ama ne yema agina na honorable ata isa awo yema hyebedwene wo san regu tumre na wo kiresie eno se yenko ye chi kakra na MPP for best years ne yemu ho akonta was 2017 MPP aban no na wo mu target ene se wo mu benya 44.96 billion Ghana cedis. Ko wi ase no wo benya 41.25 billion Ghana cedis nti sa short for we ene ehunu bi dana enna was 2018 so aban no e budget se ne revenue no enko benya 949.40 billion Ghana cedis. Ko wi ase no wonya 46.81 billion Ghana cedis eno so nya short for ni bi ana it is aban no ebebua konta no kase wonya short for kakra wa baabi a de yehu bi dani 2025 wo mabo wo mo homodi nankasa
best years under President Akufo-Addo 2017 2018 and 2019 they spent in excess of 40. The budget execution in terms of expenditure for 2017 was 94.18%, 2019 96.5%. Akufo-Addo in 2025 spent 94.4%. On what grounds are you saying he's not spending? Mr. Speaker, there is no better way of measuring whether a budget execution. In 2017, the revenue execution was more. Overall score was amber. It means that the economy was given a caution. And the reason they gave was that consolidation began, the capital spending and arrears require examination. In 2018, your revenue performance was described as weak. In 2021,
yeah, any ye honorable ata isa wo ye mrashebedwani e wosanerigu on na kye na dwene a ye nsentroni honorable opon checheku mrashebedwam wode amaneboyi eba ameka wo sekase boyi wutie fi SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra. Leicester Ghana Limited ede Yas toothpaste and in the brush abedwa so eno ne de twitwi yesen etimsre wo sinegu wanumu no esese wutimi dia kokoduro esere unim say laughter does good like medicine onyame asem proverbs mebusam ne kaye wasesere wo ete said de ano de krasin eduro eti wo sere ya won ta anyare nti na akosua goaboaje menyare no if the said de mesire ne tutu ahomone enti de enti ametimi sere no eye Yas toothpaste ne brush na medi twitwi mese no mese na efe eti meduru ba bia mepesa me fe em obi ehu mepesa me fe kire mese na obi ehu se he get ne se ne koyie eye Yas toothpaste and the brush na medi twitwi ne nti Yas whitening wo ho Yas gel no e wo ho total care no nso e wo ho chese bebre e wo ho a ye didi dwuma e na hair bar no nso egina mu ankasa anopai de whitening no a na ye di eye adwuma enumre na ye de hair bar no na ye de awo no eye Yas toothpaste and the brush e na aye ne sa enti se wo won kran na wafre 050 161 9588 eye 050 161 9588 and the Kumasi a 05013903338 a 05013903338 Leicester Ghana Limited Yas toothpaste and in the brush ye kremu ankasa na yanko ekoba simpri mu bemaba na nakoje Jesse Company Limited ekoba simpri mu enono na nakoje Jesse Company Limited waton adansie ho niam baburu emfie aduasa na nakoje Jesse Company Limited cement papanie iron rods papanie roofing sheets papanie enadoa papanie plywood papanie building wires papanie na nakoje Jesse Company Limited yetene so na yesore me se bra beje fee consultation ekwaye fa so si dan ye de strategy na esie bra na beje strategy Yesu Kristo kura kan say why na obesi dan a wantena se mu ho akonta ansa na watimi aye eti brane ye mu a ne bu ho akonta sere be ya wonru mfimfi na wonka say ehia wo eti wontimi ntoa so wo ba ye be kire wo se bia wo hia bia 100,000 Ghana cedis 200,000 Ghana cedis 500,000 Ghana cedis na wo de awie eye nana kodwe Jesse Company Limited for na eye ne sa eko be simpri mu be ma no yetene so na ye sore enti bomodin asa wo beba abaje fee consultation na fee delivery wo ko ba bi so de be kwa ma wo kwa waje abaso bo wo Ghana eni amonone a omanfo eni ho agro enti friend se sia 020 43 55050. 02043 55050 and 0244 419 393. 0244 419 393. Nana Kojo Jesse Company Limited. We Ekuoba simpri mu bema ba yetene so ana yasɔre na no panonsia kase bo ena gu so a wutie efi SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra.
TV Emma Aketiapa.
No kwasem Emma Aketiapa. Yakoba Jesse Sempremo, Bemaba. Nia Oton Adansi one ma papa no. Ne no nsia kase no. Na yede Emma wo no. Afi ye toa kase no eso. Na enanu ada na otwe mu no. Ene yete se Commercial Transport Operators Union. Womo ese wo ba betoto, womo ahye ntuadem. Ene yese ufiri do me kra. Ena wo kokwa benya 3 cities, womo de 30% beka. Intina 3 cities 30%. No womo de aka ho boko. Ena unzo a moko long journey no. Eno nzo mmerwe mu a baabi abeko bi 30%. Asam no ye simple and short. Tie. Petrol ya tum, diesel ya tum, na gas kra de ye nto. Ei, womo so womo transe no womo hwe se no womo be ya adwuma. No womo de sika nyina akoma filling station for. No womo de sika nyina de akoma boso kan for. Womu wi aka wo na nso age ne hye wo wi a wono akasa mu no adwuma wa tira ne to so eye fiti na pa besi anwumre nyina wo anya wan sidi wo ba kona na hira som na no e de asi akonwam na wo hwe no adwuma ba na wo yi ene ye gya betena fie wo se na wo mo yiri no mu di o matam saa wo mo se agya adwuma no wo mo mpese na obeba ne saa wo mo ma suku fisi kura wo mo ntimi ntua eno na enra ene ne na nsa nyina wo mo ahyase ne ewra buka ni pe wo mo no ebo nkomo pa ehwe kwampa wo mbefa so a wombetimi ayesa adwuma we nyina na enkofo wo ha bia emre wo manfo no eno nti wom ko wieye no eno ma gya atum se no kore wo mo akura won se wan aka won anya anwe 1% kura wo draba ni hweye no amfa nto so na de to so no wo mo kyewa asembe to pa ni nyina ne se he ayete se ne o ko ire ho no so twema me ba no nwie wo wi a won hye wa kiri bia o wo se we wo mo hu se next pricing window no samola mo akura no ne SOMPA kase bonkomo eno wo se wo mo hu se next pricing window na mu no no be ya bosumi ya wie ye won besa petrol no emuntumu besa aba entis won so won na wo kina won besa atum esan se abrewa wuo na ade abrewa di ade etese na ewatu ayie na ade ahyeda san se abre ya ye wo mu petrol baby ya ejina sesi ekoka ko be 15 cedis per liter diesel kura de watwam 17.78 ena gas kura de wono so ne nam akire ho baby kura wono kura de yenka na asem kura wati free ama asem na akoya asem kase enu nti wo mo ka de akire Ghana fo se wo mo anom ka so wo mbetum wo mo anya ntum na emmom sune next pricing window no yenya de 1% kura to so a Ghana fo be fili
ye to kase bono so na Kojo Jesse Company Limited ko ba simpri mu be maba and Leicester Ghana Limited nso agi ababa National Democratic Congress NDC amonyoko no wo mudi aban e de krata ba bonten say government appointee bia na se wo aban mu a wo som na wo se wo pe party position se bia party no internal party politics no wo pe position bi se bia chairman secretary organizer anasa den na coordinator se ye party position ko na wo pe dia ansa na abato no bedru ho no ese se wo resign ye ma wo ese wo resign busumi nsia ansa na abato no adru ho eti yemfa ne se bia me deputy minister banka minya chairman of the party anka bepe ese se sa abre ma resign dada se deputy minister no mempa biem na ma ba be pre party position no eti eno no nhihye ya omudi gu akwam enti busumi nsia no May 2026 ena end enti enkontabu aba ne se enipa kakra bi ena wo mutimi resign ye eba enipa miensa pe na acting director of elections and IT Made Jebre edi atudwa se 3 appointees pe ena omo resign ya omo kan so omo ba be pre party no position ni bi wo mo aka no se ebre na twemu no wo ye den wo mo nsesa no extension bi ama wo mo nka so omo di bre ni bi ka ho se wo wa aban mu a wo wa aban wo party mu a wo party mu it is a wo free abem no aba party mu sesa wo resign busumi nsia ansa na abato na ba bedru ho it is a wantimi a resign busumi nsia ansa na abato na ba bedru ho de a ene ebre no so wantimi ka se mo extend na sa directive e koma ministers, deputy ministers, chief executive officers, managing directors, deputies, metropolitan, municipal, and a district chief executives, say, we are government appointee, and I said, the Bribia Kutao, Nasa Opesa party, Nunya position be Womudia, and so will resign, would do what Jatu and San Wabapre, and Nipami and Sape, and a deadline, Womutimi Edison, and Sena Jibre, Editon Central for enemy.
But these three people, I'm aware that they have resigned. Anybody who is still in office, but I would say that whoever is in office after me is not qualified to contest our elections. People have called to check whether their position are affected. I think those ones too has been cleared. For now, any CEO, if you are contesting an election, you should by now resign. Any managing director at the national level, you are by now supposed to have resigned from your position. There are some coordinators, like school feeding, matchlock. They all are part of those who cannot contest election if they have not resigned.
We are at here for a party, NDC party, acting director of elections and IT. I am Madi Jebre, well, no, and a Kasaya, which him say, Busumi Siana Chum, Omo Fabreni bin Kahu. Anipami and Sampen, Omo Bem, Omo resign, yes, say, Omo Baba pre party position. So one resign, men ya watch the sea, the Brady be back home, won't me pre, Omo more preno, Omo and a Beko woman.
I know I a party directive. Opesa Obabia, Dimranoso, Pepe, Sansia, the Nipan Chichaman Yuku, Ubedrum Swa, and Mrawum, now where this. Yeninaso, na yentu fa, na yenko PM woman on it, Yakom of a room, America. Na me offer, sir, ne chocho muchobako, or US senator. Na wato, Mr. Bosumi ya mumpwa, ena wato ya. Na kwa yaura hosampa, Lindsey Graham. Na no kra me fre, mini abaya, wanona watemi wafa hwa, wahene kakra kre. Eno so, se wafa kra wentimi di, esa Lindsey Graham, wato ya no monsi adunti. Na nra, ena na iyo no, wamosha asye. Na me wafa kra wasi wempie san so waboton. Ena sane Iran fo no, wamo target no no. Public gathering bi obekwa ase bi anhwe yepe. No mo de ade foforo e de akoye no. Den so owa no wote se nipa bi bop no. Ena se hwefo ni. Won ko hwe a Volodymyr Zelensky eni Benjamin Netanyahu apam wofa Israel Prime Minister no Benjamin Netanyahu asem ne yeken. Womo ko ya ene behind closed doors meeting. Wono kwa obi eni office no mo no so Zelensky ne Nyantachi mo nkwana mo nkodi nkomo mu wi anu aba na meso aka mtiri mpachire mu eno wo mo kwatena ase omienu kwatena ase di nkomo a na asam a Volodymyr Zelensky ede to Benjamin Netanyahu wode to nanima na se wo mo ano na won pe ade bia ye friend se Patriot interceptor missiles ya obetimi ni Russia for de ako eno so wo de don't worry na mebo pa me ne ofa bekasa na afi yenso Iran ye ne wo mo ntokwa no ye brifu no hu se ne yete enti wo mu wie ya ena tempestuously wo mu call state war ho ena wo mu nyina call Lindsey Graham na yiyo na se a wo mu edi wo mu so dark na nsem na edi koma abusia enti se nka amanfo o se Volodymyr Zelensky eni Benjamin Netanyahu wo no ama kam wo fa ase dem kwa ya amelia anka won kokora enti sa brede wo mu gusu di nkomo ahwe kwampa wo befa so a aman ne miensa nyina no wo metimi aka wo ho abomboko san se Graham te ase no na wopene se wo miensa wo beka wo ho abom
kasebo no wasi ensama ye de summo anopai de di makotene bi ene se honorable abena wosai asare awoye mrahebejeni ewatiwa iswache na dwene ediafa 2026 media budget review no rachirem se aban na ni soade ho de si na ni so sa afini mfimfin no sika wo benya no wantimi enru ho etie se aban na agitum se wa mo ne homodin
eno na mampani mahama se wa mo ne homodin nyina no one gabo mampani e ka bom aboa masika se matimi akoboko na face am ya okunso ka kire aban se ne achotwo de agu paper so abakan camera se bedwam no enti arent ma boys ne wa akra
na honorable ata isa ya mrahebejeni e wasanorigu onde wone wo mo nya adwene wo se aban ne modern bo a wa bo no se wo hye NDC aban yi ba ye 2025 modern bo no a MPP emfie nwoche wo mo besies ni nyina no wo mo di wo mo sunkunim eti aban yi wo pusu ne hu yie pa
eno na amanfo ka se na reflect ya no kra nam so ma transport operators ka se 30% won beto ahye ntuade mu wo ma suspend no
aban a edi amanyɔkuo edi aban ɛyɛ NDC amanyɔkuo no wɔn de tu dwa sɛ wo wɔ aban mu na wo pɛ party position bi ɛsɛ sɛ wo resign busumi nsia ansa na bato na baso wɔn se nipa mmiɛnsa pɛ ne timi di wɔn adwa to wɔn ti no ɛbrɛ no wɔn mfa bi nka ho sɛ wo so wo som wɔ aban mu a wo som wɔ aban mu sɛ wo so wo ba party no ma ba bɛsom a na wo ba party no ma ba bɛsom
na me wɔfa sɛ wɔn mpie wɔn nkɔ baabi a nanso esan Volodymyr Zelensky ɛne Benjamin Netanyahu wɔn ba hwɛ no bɛsra no nti wɔne wɔn nyinaa America mampani afiri ne banquet no mu ewura mu akɔ Lindsey Graham na ayi ase ɛde dark na asɛm akɔma abusua
yɛne yɛde kasebo yi ɛsom wɔn pɛ yi ɛyɛ me die nyame ahyira no akosua ago aboagye wobɛtumi nso afrɛ me akosua nhyira menne me dɔba
nhyira ba obrempɔn nana kwaku ampoma wɔdɔm akoma kyea me ɛne me
kasebo efi SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra yɛtena yɛkɛse a ɛwɔ dɔme ɛbɛn dɔme market Rising Sun School no ɛfa yɛ headquarters ɛwɔ Kumase ɛyɛ SOMPA 93.1 FM Adamfopa Radio ɛwɔ Paris France Doma FM Doma Hinkro yɛ 100.7 Enkranza SOMPA ɛyɛ 90.7 Techiman SOMPA yɛ 106.1 FM Sunyane SOMPA yɛ 98.9 SOMPA Takwa ɛyɛ 101.1 FM Kingdom ɛyɛ Mankasim 106.1 FM Kanesh Urban Radio ewo Kaneshi Market decoder subabia radio no eye SOMPA FM ye Facebook page no eye SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra YouTube eye SOMPA FM live ye website eye www.sompaonline.com nana kodjesi company limited ko ba simprimo be ma ba woto adanse ho ne ma hyase ekwa wie mu alpha and omega ena ebo ye chidom na Leicester Ghana Limited Yas toothpaste and the brush ena wo de ema yadam nyina se amamumo eniti